Hello and welcome to Data Saver Plus. Data Saver Plus is a data-saving app for Android that helps you control data usage, save money on data, manage internet access for all apps, and extend battery. So how to get started? First, you need to download the app from either Google Play Store or the App Store. Then go ahead and launch the app. To start Data Saver Plus, just turn on this toggle button and accept all the permissions so that Data Saver Plus could power up your device. As you see, all the apps are listed here. To show apps with internet access only, open this filter and uncheck this box. You can even choose to show only system apps from this option. Use this sort button to sort the apps by name or UID so that apps that are denied internet access are rearranged and moved down and the active apps moved up. Let's say you want to find a specific app. Just search for it using this search feature. Next to each app's name, you can see these icons from where you can disable or enable the app, access to the Wi-Fi or to the data. You can click on any app to see more options. Hit this gear to manage any app such as uninstall, force stop, etc. Let's see how to change the app layout. Click on the Option key and choose Settings. Then go to Options and choose the theme colors you prefer from here. You can also choose whether you prefer dark theme or white theme by using this toggle button. And now you're done. Hope you'll have a great journey with us.